Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you side hustles in 2023, potentially earning you over 10k a month. In 2023, with a wide range of side hustle opportunities available, it's essential to recognize that almost any skill or interest can be monetized somehow. While some skills may be more directly monetizable than others, there are often creative ways to leverage even seemingly niche or non-traditional abilities. With the right approach and research, you can discover ways to turn your unique qualities into a valuable side hustle. And if you want more valuable ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. In today's dynamic world, a significant hurdle for individuals in achieving higher earnings is often attributed to their limited possession of monetizable skills. However, recognizing the desire for alternative avenues to generate income without investing extensive time in skill acquisition, I will now introduce steps to explore passive income opportunities that can potentially supplement one's earnings. When building a successful side hustle, 4 key factors must be considered. First is skill monetization. Second, creating a desirable product. Third, cultivating a customer base. And fourth is embracing automation for passive income. Let's break down the process into step-by-step discussions to provide a deeper understanding. Let's start with number 1. Skill monetization. The first step is to acquire a skill that can be monetized. This means identifying your strengths and interests and developing a valuable skill set that others are willing to pay for. You can offer products or services that cater to a specific need or solve a problem by leveraging your expertise. Regarding acquiring teaching skills, there are 2 perspectives to consider. Some believe in teaching to gain knowledge and expertise, actively engaging with the material, exploring different perspectives, and addressing questions from students. Others advocate for building a solid foundation of knowledge and expertise before taking on the role of a teacher, investing time in learning and gaining mastery. Both approaches hold value in their own right. However, if you don't have that monetizable skill, you can still make a passive income of up to 10k by teaching a skill. In order to maximize your chances of success, it's crucial to identify the right information with market demand and value. Understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience is essential in this process. Research various industries, markets, and emerging trends to uncover areas demanding knowledge or expertise. Equally important is determining how you can effectively teach and convey that information to others. Consider your strengths, experiences, and expertise that align with the chosen subject matter. Reflect on your ability to break down complex concepts, provide practical examples, and engage learners effectively. This self-assessment will help you identify your unique teaching approach and determine the most suitable format for delivering the information, whether it be through online courses, video tutorials, ebooks, or other mediums. Choose a lucrative and in-demand skill to learn and teach. Copywriting, for example, is a great choice. Research and educate yourself on the topic, then share your knowledge. Copywriting can be a profitable skill to acquire, and by mastering it, you can help businesses effectively communicate their messages and drive sales. Take the necessary steps to become proficient in copywriting and teach it to others, creating a valuable product to sell. I know it's a little confusing, so let me show you how. First, install ChatGPT Chrome extension to streamline your search process, facilitating easier searching. Once you have access to ChatGPT, utilize its capabilities to search for the top 5 courses on copywriting, the top 3 books on copywriting, and the top 3 copywriters who have successfully monetized this teaching method. ChatGPT will provide links to the relevant sources, allowing you to access the pages where these courses are sold. Visit each course's sale page and carefully examine the modules they offer. Copy and paste the module contents into ChatGPT for further analysis. Move from one course to another, copying the entire course's relevant topic. Now comes the exciting part. Utilize ChatGPT's capabilities to organize the topics and modules from these courses into a cohesive structure. Ask ChatGPT to arrange them into relevant modules and lessons, ensuring a logical progression from start to finish. This process leverages ChatGPT's ability to make our lives a little easier by assisting in the organization and synthesis of information. Once you've successfully outlined the course structure and saved it in Google Docs or any other preferred platform for easy reference, Let's move on to the second factor in building a successful side hustle, which is creating a desirable product. The next step is creating a product or service that people want. This involves understanding your target audience, conducting market research, and identifying opportunities to provide a unique and compelling offering. You increase your chances of attracting and retaining customers by delivering a high-quality product that meets customer demands. This step involves thoroughly researching the books from which you copied your topics. It's essential to assess their market demand, reviews, customer feedback, and the results people have achieved from implementing the information in those books. This thorough evaluation ensures you offer your customers a legitimate, in-demand, and valuable product. You can typically find these books on platforms like Amazon or other online marketplaces. Now it's time to dive into learning each of these topics. With dedication and effort, you can aim to master each topic within a month. Remember that the income potential ranges from 0 to 10K a month, so investing significant effort into this endeavor is crucial. Let's take an example with the first topic on your list, such as what is copywriting? Begin by conducting thorough research, preferably utilizing resources like YouTube. Take comprehensive notes on the essential and relevant information, capturing all your learnings. Record these notes in your sheet or document. As you embark on this journey of learning a high-paying skill, remember that you're simultaneously creating a valuable product. Teaching others is often the most effective way to solidify your understanding of a subject. If you can successfully explain a topic to someone else, it signifies your own mastery. With the valuable information you've gathered from your research and learning process, it's time to take the next step and create your product. You can record yourself teaching the course, providing valuable insights and explanations, or opt for a faceless recording where the focus is on the content itself. You can use a screen recorder to highlight important visuals or demonstrations to enhance the recording. By creating these recordings, you've developed a complete and marketable product ready to be sold at an interesting audience. The recorded course encapsulates your expertise and knowledge you have acquired, providing a valuable resource for individuals seeking to learn and benefit from your teachings. And now that you have your product, here comes number 3. Number 3. Cultivating a customer base. Building a steady customer base is crucial for generating recurring revenue. It would be best if you consistently implemented effective marketing strategies to attract new customers to achieve this. This may involve utilizing online advertising, social media campaigns, or leveraging word-of-mouth referrals. By actively seeking out new customers and providing exceptional service, you can create a loyal customer base that supports your side hustle over the long term. This means effectively driving people to make a purchase of your product, so you have to create a sales page and squeeze page for your product. A squeeze page is a web page specifically designed to capture visitors' contact information, usually through an opt-in form. Its primary goal is to squeeze or collect email addresses or other relevant contact details from potential leads or prospects. Squeeze pages are used in marketing campaigns to build an email list, deliver targeted content, or promote products and services to a specific audience. In return, you want to offer them something for free. It's crucial to implement these strategies because when driving traffic to your offer, capturing people's information, such as their email address, is essential. This allows you to establish a means of future communication with potential customers. Additionally, maintaining a consistent influx of new customers is vital for the longevity and survival of any business. Without a steady stream of new customers, a business's growth and sustainability are at risk. And how to do this? Utilize social media to attract new customers and ensure your business's continued growth and success. TikTok, among other social media platforms, can serve as an effective tool for generating leads. With the potential to reach millions of views per month, TikTok allows you to convert a portion of those views into subscribers for your email list. Building a substantial audience is crucial to ensure a sufficient number of people who can engage with your content and become potential leads for your business. Gathering people using TikTok is what you'll learn in step number 4, which is embracing automation for passive income. To maximize your earning potential, embracing automation is essential. You can automate the sales process by leveraging technology and digital systems, allowing your product or service to generate income even when you're not actively involved. This means setting up online platforms, utilizing e-commerce tools, and streamlining the purchase and delivery process. By embracing automation, you can create a passive income stream that works for you even while you sleep. Here's a breakdown of how setting up an email automation system with an internal launch works. Lead capture. Through your squeeze page or other lead generation methods, you collect the email address of the interested individuals who opt in to receive more information from you. Email automation. Once someone joins your email list, you can use an email marketing platform or automation software to set up a series of pre-written emails. These emails are scheduled to be sent at specific intervals. They're designed to deliver valuable content, build trust, and generate excitement around your offerings. Internal launch sequence. You create an internal launch sequence within the email automation system. This sequence typically includes a series of emails that introduce and promote your product or service to your email subscribers. Each email builds upon the previous one, gradually unveiling the details, benefits, and value of your offering. Nurturing and engagement. Throughout the internal launch sequence, you can include educational content, testimonials, case studies, and other persuasive elements to engage your subscribers and provide them with the information they need to make an informed purchasing decision. Call to action. In each email of the internal launch sequence, you will include a call to action that directs subscribers to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or scheduling a consultation. The CTAs are strategically placed to encourage conversions and drive potential customers to take the desired next step. Your lead magnet becomes a valuable asset in driving sales once you set up your email automation system and have your YouTube and TikTok videos attracting viewers and potential customers daily. As people watch your videos and engage with your content, they will be enticed to access your lead magnet, a valuable incentive for them to join your email list. With a lead magnet, you can continuously nurture and engage with your email subscribers through automated email sequences. As your list grows, the automation system will work tirelessly, even while you sleep, to deliver targeted messages, promote your products or services, and encourage conversions. This means that your marketing efforts, combined with the power of automation, allow you to generate income even when you're not actively engaged in promoting or selling. The continuous flow of customers from your YouTube and TikTok platforms, combined with the lead magnet and email automation, creates a system that operates 24/7, working on converting leads into paying customers and generating revenue for your business. Consider these 4 factors. You can lay the foundation for a successful side hustle. It's important to remember that building a side hustle takes time, effort, and a willingness to adapt. Stay committed, continuously improve your skills and offerings, and you'll increase your chances of creating a thriving source of additional income. A monetizable skill is valuable today as it opens up opportunities for higher earnings. However, it's important to remember that perspective plays a significant role in our journey to financial success. By leveraging the power of technology, such as social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube, and implementing effective strategies like email automation, we can create passive income streams and generate revenue while we sleep. By continuously learning, adapting, and embracing the dual role of a learner and a teacher, we can unlock our potential and create products that cater to the needs of our target audience. We can expand our reach and attract new customers by utilizing social media for lead generation and driving traffic. We can nurture and engage our audience through email automation, ultimately leading to conversions and sales. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence, turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.